prompted you to call American Paving Design?
Well, our concrete driveway was falling apart, for one. I knew I had to replace it, and your postcard arrived in the mail the day I decided to replace it.
I was going to ask you how you heard about us, but it was the postcard. Great.
I had heard you on the radio as well. And, you know, I'm Tim Nemec, and I'm your Paver guy. I love that line. And so when I got the postcard, I thought, I'm going to give him a call.
Excellent. Would you recommend American Paving Design?
I would highly recommend. I feel strongly about small businesses and supporting them. And Tim and American Paving Design did an outstanding job. I would strongly recommend them to anyone that needs a paving job done.
And how do you feel when you pull up in your driveway now?
I love it. I've always liked the look of the paver. I love the fact that if something goes wrong, roots grow underneath it. We have a water leak, whatever. We don't have to jackhammer the concrete driveway up, so I love that. And kind of a side benefit, my neighbors have driveway envy now, and that's kind of fun for me.
Excellent.